Alright, y'all, the 2022 March TokyoTreat box is here. So this month we have snacks from the infamous Konbini convenience store. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Now this box is full of some goodies. But let's check out the artwork on the box. It's pretty nice. And they're convenient enough to give us this booklet because nothing in here is in English except for the big old Kit Kats. But let's see what we got here. So right here we have a rice cracker. I don't want to mispronounce anything. So chocolate covered banana Kit Kats. Then we have the curry udon, which I've tried those already. Bomb. So good. I was surprised. Then that is a cotton candy. Soft. Then right there we have just a regular old butter cookie. And then here we have a sour soda surprise gum. A little chocolate pastry. And my favorite, mini melon pies. So nice and soft. And it's a thin layer on the inside. And these are basically like little cheese puff rings. Alright, so now this is a carrot-shaped treat with sweet puffed rice as snack for kids. The book is really helpful though. It's packed with all kinds of information. It tells you where it's from, the region. You know, it describes what it's made of, key ingredients, all sorts of fun facts in the booklet. I really like that they added the booklet in there. And I have not tried the Fanta yet, but I'm definitely excited to try the Fanta. I did try those. Those are like curry flavored cheese puffs. Overall, the box is jam-packed with some good stuff. I'm looking forward to trying everything.